Hey guys, we received this Lehoo Castle Bento lunch box for kids for test and try. These have four compartments and a sauce jar, spoon and fork, which are durable and leak proof. So let's open the box and see. So this, the first impression is a solid, quality lunch box. So let's open and see this. So very nice, vibrant design on the top for the kids. Looks nice, and it's a I will say a solid and no leakage design that I will show. Like these are the clips just to open up this box, and then you have a inner compartment to release any vapors and stuff. And then is a an inner compartment as well. So these are the supplied cutlery like fork and a spoon that comes with it for the use, and it's a proper compartment thing here. So you can open the lid, and then there is another compartment. This compartment is a dish washer safe and a microwave safe, and this is a sauce jar with a seal cap. And then also this compartment can be easily washed in a dishwasher, or you can put it in the microwave as well. So these are the main compartments. You can use it like this way, but it's better to use it with a compartment. So put this compartment, and then you can just seal it. It's a leak-proof design. You can also remove the seal and wash it, and then you can just close it. We have a handle as well, so it's easy to carry. It's a handle design, and then also a little lightweight and nice compartment for the kid. Also, this is easy to operate. So the my kid like this, the small spoon and the fork. But yeah, like just opening up the compartment, just opening up the jar and things, using it, just putting the things back. So nice. So it's like different compartment to put in the different stuff. And you can just put in things and then just close up this box. So it's pretty nice, handy.